Good morning, students. It's Pradeep Hambu in front of you with a new lecture of maths for class 7th, exercise 1.2 basics. And today we are going to start properties of addition and subtraction of integers. And dear students, I will say to you, first of all, try to understand the concept, and after that, try to do the sum of exercise. Okay, let me start. First of all, very first property is closure under addition. Okay, now try to understand the meaning of this property, closure under addition. Closure under addition means if we are adding two numbers, then the result also will be integers. Okay, here is clearly written the definition. When we add two integers, result is the integer, then property is known as the closure property for addition of whole numbers. Okay, and let me take some examples. First of all, 17 plus 23, these both are integers, and sum of these numbers is 40, and that is also an integer. So this is a closure. Okay, closure under addition. And next example is 17 minus 21, and 17 minus into minus, result is a plus 21, and 38 is our result, and result is also an integer. Okay, by these two examples it is proved that integers are closed under addition. Okay, and we can say that if two integers a and b are there, and if the result of a plus b is integer, then they are closed. Okay, second property is closure under subtraction. Then here, students, if we subtract two integers a and b, okay, result means a minus b comes as integer, then integers are closed under subtraction. Check here, 7 minus 9, result is minus 2. 7 is integer, 9 is integer, and minus 2 is also integer. Okay, and next property, next example, minus 21 minus into minus 10, minus 21 minus into minus plus 10, and minus 21 plus 10 will give us result minus 11. Minus 21 is integer, minus 10 is also integer, and the result minus 11 is integer. That's why we can say that integers are closed under subtraction. Integers are closed under subtraction. Integers are closed under addition. Both properties are satisfied. And you may take some more examples and can verify this property. Okay. Next is commutative property. What? Commutative property. What we mean by commutative property under addition, if we are adding two integers in any sequence, if their result is same, then they are commutative. Okay, we are taking examples. Very first example is 7 plus 8 is equal to kitna aaya? 15, and 8 plus 7, that will also give us 15. Okay, and that's why these numbers are commutative. Okay, next example is 3 minus 4 and minus 4 plus 3, result is minus 1. Okay, in both the cases result is minus 1. That's why these integers are commutative. Okay, next example is minus 23 plus 32 and 32 minus 23, result is plus 9. Okay, in the both the cases result is plus 9. That's why we can say that these integers are commutative. Okay, and this is the representation to memorize the commutative property. If two integers a plus b or b plus a are equal, then the integers are commutative. Okay, next, integers are not commutative under subtraction. Okay, this means a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Let we are taking one example, 7 minus 8, 8 minus 7. 7 minus 8 result is minus 1 and 8 minus 7 result is plus 1. These both are not equal. That's why subtraction is not commutative. Okay, for integers. And next, associative property. What is associative property? Try to understand the concept. If we add three integers a, b, c in following manner and result comes same, then addition of integer. Okay, first of all, try to understand or memorize the concept. If we are adding a plus b and after that we are adding the result in c, and here first of all we are adding b plus c, after that we are adding that result in a, both the results are same, then they said they are satisfying associative property. Okay, for example, if we are adding minus 5 plus into minus 3 and minus 2, very first we will add this one will give us minus 5 plus into minus 3 and result is minus 8 minus 2 as it is, minus 8 or minus 2 is minus 10. Now come to another side, right hand side, minus 5 minus 3 plus 2. Okay, minus 5 as it is, minus 3 plus into minus 2 and minus 3 or minus 2 is minus 5 and minus 5 will give us minus 10. The result both side is same, then these integers are associative. Okay, and next example is, if we are adding minus 3 plus 1 and plus minus 7, plus into minus 3 and plus 1, minus 3 plus 1 result is minus 2 minus 7 as it is, minus 7 and minus 2 give us minus 9. Okay, and in right hand side, minus 3 into minus 3 plus 1 plus minus 7, and first of all we will add this one, and 1 plus into minus 7 and 1 minus 7 will give us minus 6 and minus 3 will give us minus 9. Okay, both the results are same, that's why integers are associative. Okay, for associative property you have to memorize this formula. Okay, next one, additive identity. Additive identity, it is a number, it is a number when added in any integer that does not affect that integers, means result will same. Here what the statement is saying, if we are adding any number, okay, that is 0 to in a number, the result will same. Okay, example, minus 7 plus 0 will give us minus 7, 0 plus minus 8 will give us minus 8, 3 plus 0 will give us 3, 13 plus 0 will give us 13. Okay, that's why 0 is additive identity. What additive identity? Okay, then next one is example first. This is very important for us and the whole exercise is based on this example, so try to understand it deeply. Okay, very first write down a pair of integers whose sum is minus 7. Okay, now we have to write those numbers whose sum is minus 7. Okay, understood? Check here, if we are adding minus 3 plus minus 4, result is minus 7 and pair is minus 3 minus 4. If we are adding minus 11 plus 4, result is minus 7, pair is minus 11 minus 4. If we are adding minus 18 plus 11, result is minus 7 and numbers are minus 18 and 11. Okay, and second question, difference is minus 10. If we are adding subtracting minus 18, difference means we have to subtract. Okay, minus 18 minus into minus 8, minus 18 minus into minus will give us plus 8, 18 plus 8 will give us minus 10 and pairs are minus 18 and minus 8. Okay, 8 minus 18, then the result is minus 10. Okay, and the pair is 8 and 18. Okay, next one is minus 6 minus 4 it will give us minus 10, and pairs are minus 6 and 4. Okay, because here we can't take minus 4 because we are subtracting. Okay, understood? Then next one is difference is 2. Now we have to write two numbers whose difference is 2. That may be any numbers, but difference must be 2. Okay. 18 minus 16 to 6 minus 4 to 10 minus 8 to, and these are the pairs. Okay. And last one is sum is 0. Then we have to add two numbers whose sum is 0. Minus 8 plus 8 will give us 0. 5 minus 5 will give us 0. Minus 3 plus 0 will give us, minus 3 plus 3 will give us 0. Okay, and you can take 10 such examples. You can try yourself to clear the concept. Okay, dear students, and after watching this video you have to try exercise 1.2 yourself. This exercise is very easy. If you are getting any problem, then you can WhatsApp me your problems. Okay, and if you get this video informative for all of you, then must subscribe the channel, like the video and share the video. Thank you, my dear students.